how to make the outfits for Team Maddie Fashion Blast, Buzz, Flit, and Flutter. Outfits are in the order they appear in the fashion show.
Okay. You can move, you can dance. Yeah, you're smooth, maybe advance. I like that move, that groove. Yeah, I approve those moves. Oh, yeah, you feel that sick beat. No sweat with those slick feet. Now, was that a moonwalk? Think you can talk, walk a MJ's walk? Show me now, can you do a MJ? Can you do a MJ? A MJ? A MJ? Hey, yo, play a sick beat DJ. Play those videos of MJ. Can you slide your feet, meet MJ's feet? MJ's feet, moonwalk. Feel the heat, moonwalk. Feel the heat. Okay, you can move. Okay, maybe MJ would approve. Yeah, but can you match the king of spin? Legendary MJ, spin and grin. Spin and grin. Spin, you do a MJ with a grin. Can you do a MJ? A MJ? A MJ? Hey, yo, play a sick beat DJ. Play those videos of MJ. Can you spin with a grin? Meet MJ's feet, spin and grin. Feel the heat. Meet MJ's feet, moonwalk. Feel the beat, MJ's beat, MJ's heat, MJ's feet. You can moonwalk and spin. You can move. Okay, maybe MJ would approve.
Join us each Saturday for another great Team Maddie Fashion Blast. Please like and share this video.